Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a setup user. You start by opening the Manage Users task from the implementation project or from the navigator by clicking Users and Roles under the My Team heading. You click Create and enter the user's name and email address. By default, the application uses the email address as the username. You can change the format in the Security Console or enter a username of your own here. When the Send Username and Password option is selected, the application sends an email with the URL you can use to sign in for the first time. The application sends the email as soon as you save. Alternatively, you can send the notification from the Security Console. Select Employee as the person type even if the user isn't an actual employee. Your selection merely provisions the employee abstract role the user needs for setup. Now select the legal employer and the business unit. These are created automatically for you if you're following the setup instructions in the Getting Started with Your Sales Implementation Guide. The legal employer adds the letters LE to your company name. The business unit is followed by the letters LEBU. The entries are not visible to users, so they don't have to correspond to any actual entities. Don't make entries in the other employment information fields because they're not used by the sales application. Now select the Sales Setup User Resource role. This role provisions the job roles required for setup. Because you don't want the setup user to show up in the sales resource hierarchy, leave the Manager and Organization fields blank. Click Auto Provision Roles. Here are the roles that are being provisioned. Click Save and Close. In a few minutes, the application completes the role provisioning and sends the email with the URL. You can edit the text ahead of time in the Security Console. Thank you.